Mastering contract drafting. Essential techniques for legal agreements. Best practices and pro tips for effective contract drafting. Welcome to the chapter that will provide you with valuable insights and best practices for effective contract drafting. In this chapter, we will explore key strategies and pro tips that will help you enhance your contract drafting skills. From conducting thorough research and due diligence to utilizing drafting checklists and seeking expert review, we will cover it all. So, let's dive in and discover the best practices for drafting contracts that stand the test of time. Conducting thorough research and due diligence. One of the foundations of effective contract drafting is conducting thorough research and due diligence. Before you start drafting a contract, it is essential to have a solid understanding of the relevant laws, regulations, and industry practices. Research the legal requirements specific to the subject matter of the contract and ensure that you are up to date with any recent developments or changes. Thorough research will help you craft contracts that are legally sound and aligned with industry standards. Utilizing drafting checklists and templates. To streamline your contract drafting process and ensure consistency, it is beneficial to utilize drafting checklists and templates. These resources serve as valuable guides and reminders of essential provisions and considerations that need to be included in the contract. Checklists help you cover all necessary elements and minimize the risk of overlooking important clauses. Templates provide a framework for structuring your contract and can save you time and effort. Customize templates to suit the specific needs of each contract, but always ensure that they align with legal requirements and reflect the parties' intentions. Seeking expert review and feedback. Contract drafting is an iterative process, and seeking expert review and feedback is crucial to ensure the quality and accuracy of your contracts. Engage with experienced legal professionals or subject matter experts to review your contracts. They can provide valuable insights, identify potential issues, and offer suggestions for improvement. Collaborating with experts allows you to benefit from their knowledge and experience, enhancing the overall quality and effectiveness of your contracts. Remember, a fresh set of eyes can often catch errors or inconsistencies that may have been overlooked. Maintaining a continuous learning mindset. In the ever-evolving legal landscape, it is essential to maintain a continuous learning mindset. Keep yourself updated with changes in laws, regulations, and industry practices that may impact contract drafting. Attend seminars, workshops, or webinars related to contract drafting to enhance your skills and stay abreast of emerging trends. Join professional networks or associations to connect with other legal professionals and engage in discussions on contract drafting best practices. By continuously learning and improving, you can sharpen your contract drafting skills and provide better service to your clients. Effective communication and collaboration. In addition to these best practices, it is crucial to prioritize effective communication, maintain clear and concise language, and foster collaboration between parties during the contract drafting process. Regularly communicate with your clients or stakeholders to ensure that the contract accurately reflects their intentions and objectives. Use clear and concise language to eliminate ambiguity and minimize the risk of misinterpretation. Collaboration promotes a shared understanding of the contract and can help resolve any potential conflicts or misunderstandings before they arise. Case laws. Mohori Baibi vs. Dharmodas Ghose. Facts of the case: Mohori Baibi vs. Dharmodas Ghose. In 1895, Dharmodas Ghose, a miner, mortgaged his property to Brahmo Dutt for a loan of Rs. 20,000. The mortgage deed was executed by Brahmo Dutt Satoni, despite knowing Dharmodas Ghose's minor status. Dharmodas Ghose's legal guardian had sent a notice highlighting his minority status. The minor filed a lawsuit seeking the cancellation of the mortgage, claiming he was underage when it was executed. Brahmo Dutt argued that he had not received any notice regarding the minor's age and insisted on repayment of the loan. Judgment and conclusion. The Privy Council ruled that a minor's contract is void ab initio and has no legal effect. The mortgage by Dharmodas Ghose was deemed void from the beginning. Since the contract was void, the minor was not liable to repay the loan amount. The court emphasized that agreements with minors are null and void, protecting their rights and interests. In the case of Mohori Baibi vs. Dharmodas Ghose, the court firmly established that contracts with minors are invalid from the outset, and this principle has been followed throughout India under the Indian Contract Act.